Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to introduce Vidu AI, a free AI video generator. It can produce ultra-high definition videos in various styles, such as realistic, animation, cinematic, and more. We will share some usage tips and examples to help you maximize the potential of this tool. So, let's take a look at how Vidu performs. Basic information. Before we dive in, let me introduce some basic information about Vidu AI. If you're not interested in this part, feel free to skip ahead. There are timestamps in the description. Vidu AI is an AI-powered video generation tool that allows users to create videos quickly and easily using text prompts or images. It offers various styles, including realistic and animation styles, and allows users to generate short videos, typically 4 or 8 seconds long. Vidu AI is designed to be user-friendly, with features like enhanced prompts, video upscaling, and the ability to use images as a reference for generating video content. It provides a free tier with a limited number of monthly credits, making it accessible for users to experiment with and create videos without upfront costs. How to use? First, let's head over to Vidu's website. The link is provided below the video. You can browse the home page to quickly get an overview of the types of videos it can create. As you can see, it claims that you can generate a 4-second video in less than 30 seconds. We will test this later to see if it can really generate a video within the specified time. Next, I'll show you the step-by-step process of generating a video. Step 1. Register an account. Click Try Vidu at the top right corner. Choose your registration method, and after registering, click Create Video at the top of the screen to access the Vidu AI video generation interface. Step 2. Understand the interface. The Vidu AI video generation interface is straightforward. Its text-to-video and image-to-video functions are combined, allowing you to upload a reference image or directly enter text. If you're unsure what prompt to input, there are random descriptions below that can be modified as references. For image-to-video, the Enhance Prompt option below can automatically optimize your prompt to improve the generated effect, so you don't have to worry about poor results due to poorly written prompts. There is also a detailed prompt guide that can help you become an AI video expert. Step 3. Set parameters. Before starting, we need to set some basic parameters. Pay attention to the second button on the left. You will find options to set your video style, general or animation, and video duration, 4 or 8 seconds. Once set, return to the input section. Step 4. Generate the video. Click the Generate button below, and Vidu will create your 4-second video. Wait about 30 seconds, and you will be able to preview your video. If satisfied, choose to download it. If not, select Tray Edit or Upscale below to regenerate. These are the detailed steps on how to use Vidu AI. To give you a better understanding of Vidu AI's video generation capabilities, we have prepared 7 different types of prompts for testing today. Let's see how it performs. After this test, we found several pros and cons. Let's talk about the cons first. In the video for the 4th prompt, there was a mismatch between the visuals and the description. Moreover, we discovered that the production time might vary. When we were not upgraded to a membership, we had to queue up to generate videos. The wait time could range from 2 to 5 minutes. However, once you are in the queue, the production time does indeed take only 30 seconds. Of course, if you upgrade to a membership, you can skip the queue. Another thing to note is that the prompts for the visuals need to be very detailed. If you provide a brief description, the effect may not be as ideal. However, if your description is very detailed, it can deliver unexpected results. For example, the teddy bear on the phone in the first prompt looked very realistic, like something straight out of a movie. This is a strong point of Vidu. It produces highly realistic results. Additionally, Because it is currently very popular, many people are participating in the free plan, which sometimes results in generation failures. But don't worry, if it fails, the credits will be refunded, so you won't lose anything. If you have any other insights on Vidu, feel free to discuss them in the comments section. Pricing? Now, let's move on to the pricing part that everyone is interested in. With Vidu, you get 80 free credits each month. A 4-second video consumes 4 credits, so you can create up to 20 videos for free each month. If you wish, you can create multiple email accounts, and each account can receive free credits. I found a good strategy. Use one account to test the software and another to create the final video. However, note that generating 8-second videos and removing watermarks requires a membership upgrade, starting at $9.99 per month, which allows you to create about 60 videos, averaging about 16 cents per video. Of course, if you think the free credits are enough for your video needs, then there's no need to upgrade. Alright, that's it for today's introduction to Vidu. If you think it meets your basic requirements for an AI video generator, go ahead and try it out. Lastly, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Your support is our greatest motivation. See you next time.